Okay, first of all, I would like to welcome everyone to our YouTube channel, Lambidian Mathematics. And today I'm going to teach one problems from coordinate in a space. Uh, let's see its slide. Okay, welcome everyone to my YouTube channel, Lambidian Mathematics. And this is me, Sankar Pariyar. I am Assistant Professor of Mathematics in Tribhuvan University, TU, Kathmandu, Nepal. And today is on the topic of the coordinate in a space. Today I am going to teach one problems on the topic of coordinates in a space. So actually the problems is given here. A line makes alpha, beta, gamma, and delta with the four diagonals of a cube. It means there is one cube. It means on this cube or line, actually in a cube, there are four diagonals, which are called the major diagonals. This line makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma, and delta with the four diagonals of a cube. Then we have to prove that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta is equals to 4 by 3. This is the verification part. It means cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus cos square delta. Cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma, and cos square delta. It means this whole part, cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma, and cos square delta is equals to 4 by 3. This part we have to show here. Okay, actually everyone, this is a cubic. This is a cube. It is cube because here this part is OA, this part is OB, and this part is OC, which are taken along x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Actually, you can see here, this is cube because here three different colors you have seen here. And this is pink in the front side. You can see here the pink. This is gray color in the other edges and in the other plane, and the top plane you can see here as a purple. Actually, this is the 2D figure. This is the 2D, two-dimensional cases. It is that this sheet of paper, let us suppose this is the two-dimensional, but actually this cubical dice is the three-dimensional faces. So all the six faces, actually we have not seen here. Okay, then just you have to imagine that this top part is the purple part, and just opposite to this, here in the down part, this is just congruent, and this part and opposite to this gray part, another part is also there, which is hidden. While taking photograph also it is hidden, and this is actually this is pink part is here, and opposite to this there is also other surface which is called the plane, other plane, which is also hidden. But actually here we are going to find out the question has said a line makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma, and delta with four diagonals of a cube. Actually here, basically you can see here a line means OP is a one line. A line, let's see there, one pen. Uh, pen, okay. A line means actually we can see here OP is a one line. This is a line. Actually, this line makes an angle from here to here. It is alpha, okay? Actually, with one diagonal. One diagonal means we can see here. Keep from here to here. This is a one diagonal. AE is a longer diagonal. With AE, this line OP has makes an angle alpha, and with others also it has makes an angle beta. It means this OG is a diagonal. This diagonal has makes an angle beta. Actually, this is beta. It has makes angle, just beta angle it has make. Another diagonal is here. This is CD. You can see here. CD is the next diagonal. This diagonal, this it means this line OP has makes an angle. This whole angle it has makes an angle gamma. It has makes an angle gamma. It has made. And another diagonal is this actually BF. BF is the next diagonal. It has makes an angle of delta. It has makes an angle of delta with OP. So basically, these are the parts. So this is roughly I have make here. It has makes an angle. So that here basically what you have to get it. First of all, you have to get here the directional cosine of OG. Directional cosine of OG. It means how do you get the coordinate of G? To get the coordinate of G from here, this is A unit. From here to here, this is also A unit. Why means this AD is equals to OB. Okay, so OB is also A unit. Therefore, this is A unit. This is also A unit. And from here to here, this is also A unit. Therefore, coordinate of G goes to this is A comma A comma A comma A comma A. Actually, this is the coordinate of G. It means that after getting the coordinates, actually we got the coordinate here. After getting this coordinate, then we have to get the directional cosine of a line OG. Sorry, OP. The directional cosine of a line OP is element, we have to suppose, and directional cosine of OG. OG means how do you get the directional cosine means? First of all, we have to get the directional ratios. Directional ratios means x2 minus x1, comma, y2 minus y1, comma, z2 minus z1. It means if the two distinct points are given, to get the directional ratios, we have to use this formula x2 minus x1, comma, y2 minus y1, comma, z2 minus z1. After getting the directional ratios, we need to get here directional cosine. Directional cosine means x2 minus x1 by its distance. Distance means r, let us suppose, y2 minus y1 by r, z2 minus z1 by r. So its verification, it means its language. I'm going to give here its language. So solution here, please write down. Let O 0, 0, 0 be the origin, and 3 adjacent edges. Okay, 3 adjacent edges are, one is OA, OB, and OC are the 3 adjacent edges. Actually, these adjacent edges are taken along the x-axis, and this is along y-axis, and this is along z-axis. So that this OA actually OA is taken along x-axis, OB is taken along y-axis, and OC is taken along z-axis. So they are taken along x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis. Let's see that. If this part, if this OA equals to, if this OB equals to this whole OC, if OA is equals to OB equal to OC is equals to A unit, then the coordinates of this each coordinates you need to find out here. Then the coordinate of O, coordinate of A, coordinate of B, coordinate of C, coordinate of D, E, F, and G are respectively. Coordinate of O is 0, 0, 0. Coordinate of A is A, 0, 0. Coordinate of B is, we can see here, 0, A, 0, because it is the coordinate of AY means this point A is along with x-axis, so that its coordinate is A, 0, 0. This point B is taken along the y-axis. If it is taken along the y-axis, it means coordinate of x and z will be 0. Therefore, coordinate of B is 0, A, 0. And coordinate of C means actually it is taken along the z-axis. So its coordinate goes to 0, 0, A. Okay. Likewise, a coordinate of D. What is the coordinate of D means? Actually, D is taken here. Actually, D is taken here. Actually, XZ plane. It is taken in the XZ plane. In the sorry, it is taken in the Y axis. It is taken in the XY plane. If it is taken in the XY plane, means Z coordinate will be 0 here. So coordinate of D goes to A comma 0. Likewise, coordinate of E, it means the point E. This point E is taken along the YZ plane. If it is taken along the YZ plane, it means coordinate of X will be 0 here. 0, comma A comma 0. Likewise, to get the coordinate of F, this point F is taken along the XZ plane. If it is taken along the XZ plane, it means coordinate except the coordinate of X and Z, other will be 0, means definitely there are the three components there, X component, Y component, Z component, but actually Y component is 0. Therefore, coordinate of F goes to A comma 0 comma A. Likewise, the coordinate of G goes to A comma A because it is the point on the space. Actually, why it is the point on the space, so that the distance traveled by G is OA comma AD comma DC. So actually, these are the points. So we have to get here. These are the coordinates over here. Our main intent target is to get the angle between the line OP makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with the four diagonals of a cube. What are the four diagonals? Let's see here. One diagonal is OG, and actually other diagonal is AE. Okay, and third diagonal is, please don't do this, it's not actually a DF, because DF is on the same plane, so that actually it's not a diagonal. So the opposite of this, what is the longer diagonal is actually is not this. Okay, it's not, it's not. Okay, so actually another diagonal is CD is the next diagonal, and third diagonal is that fourth diagonal is BF. PF is the fourth diagonal. You have to get by this way. Once more, I want to tell two diagonal. You know this. One diagonal is OG. Other diagonal means AE. Or diagonal is this. Please don't write down here BC, okay? Because BC is on the same plane. So other diagonal is actually CD. Suggested. Third diagonal is CD. Third diagonal, and fourth diagonal is BF. Actually, these are the got it. These are the diagonals. So after this, let's write down there. Then you have to get the distance of, because we have to get the directional cosine. Therefore, we need to find out the distance between O to G. O to G is the distance, because distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. Actually, it is 3a square. Likewise, another is OG is equals to, we can get here because taking square root on the both side, OG equal to a root 3. OG equal to a root 3. We can get by this way. Okay, this same figure I have drawn here. The same figure. Let's see here, everyone. Figure is the same. So here the directional cosine of OG, you need to understand here. To get the directional cosine, its formula is x2 minus x1 by its distance, y2 minus y1 by its distance, z2 minus z1 by its distance. Because for the point G, for origin, you can write down this is x1, this is y1, this is z1. And for the coordinate of G was there, a comma a. Therefore, x2 minus x1 means a minus 0 by a root 3, a minus 0 by a root 3, a minus 0 by a root 2. Why it is a root 3? Because the distance of OG is a root 3. So this a and a is eliminated, 1 by root 3. A and a is cancelled, 1 by root 3. A and a is cancelled, 1 by root 3. It means we got the directional cosine of OG. Likewise, we have to get the directional cosine of OP. Let LMN, you can see here. Actually, everyone, you can see here. Okay, this part you can see here. You can write down, let L comma M comma N be the directional cosine of a line OP. Line OP is this, so its directional cosine goes to L comma M comma N. This is the directional cosine. After this directional cosine, because one line OG also we got the directional cosine 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. And OP line directional cosine is this L comma L comma L comma M comma N. And if alpha is the angle between OG and OP, then actually we can get the formula for cos alpha. Cos angle between the two lines, if the directional cosine are given, actually its formula goes to cos alpha is equals to you can use here L1 into L2 plus M1 into M2 plus N1 into M2, because this LMN is the directional cosine of a line OP, and this is a directional cosine of a line OG is 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3. So actually its formula goes to L plus M plus N by root under 3. So now actually for this we can write down, this is equation first. Okay, we can write down by this way. This is equation first. Similarly, because with one line, because this is the direction, sorry, this is the angle between OP, OG and OP. Okay, cos alpha, because this line OP has makes an angle alpha with OG, therefore cos alpha formula is this. Similarly, if beta is the angle between, beta is the angle between AE and OP, because OP directional cosine already we have supposed L comma M comma N. Now we need to find out here a directional cosine of AE. To get the directional cosine of AE, formula is same. Okay. Similarly, first of all, get the directional cosine of AE. Actually, for A, you can suppose x1, y1, z1. For E, you can suppose x2, y2, z2. So directional cosine means formula is x2 minus x1 means 0 minus A, and this is a minus a minus 0, and this is a minus 0. So that similarly I have written here according to the same process, according to this process, and you can get here cos beta is equals to cos beta equals to L1 into L2 plus M1 into M2 plus N1 into M2. Finally you will get here minus L plus M plus minus L plus M plus N by root under 3. Why it is root under 3 means? Because the diagonals of a cube are equal. It means is diagonals of a cube are equal stands for, this is distance of just write down here OG is simply roughly I have written OG, length of OG equals to length of, we can write down here length of AE. Okay. Length of AE equals to length of BF, fourth diagonal I am talking here, length of BF, length of BF, write down here length of BF equals to length of BF equals to length of CD. Okay, length of CD, because this all the distance are equal. Therefore, length of actually can write down here length of CD. Therefore, cos beta equal to Ln into L2 plus M1 into M2 plus N1 into M2. Actually, this is a cos beta. You have done by this way. It's become very rough. Now, similarly, you can write down if you can see here. Here you can see here. If gamma and delta be the angles between BF and OP, BF, because gamma BF means one diagonal is this. You can see here is diagonal BF, one diagonal, OP is another diagonal. It means if gamma is the angle between them. So basically what you have to understand here, everywhere here is plus. By induction method also you can write down here in place of L it is plus. Between BF and AP, second place there will be minus while using the formula. You can write down here cos gamma equals to L minus M plus N by root under 3, and cos delta is equals to L plus M minus N by root under 3. Then how do you get it? Because OP directional cosine already we have element. CD means what you have to write down for C. For C, this is x1, y1, z1, and for D, for this line, you can suppose this is x2, y2, z2. Okay, x2, y2, z2, cd. Therefore, what formula you have to use it for this? C, x1, y1, z1, d, x2, y2, z2. So its directional ratio is a minus 0. This is also a minus 0 and 0 minus a, means in the third coordinate, in the coordinate of z, there is a negative sign. Therefore, you can write down L plus M minus N by root under 3. So actually what you can see here, we know the value of cos alpha. Value of cos alpha is this. We know the value of cos beta, and we know the value of cos gamma. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma value we do have. And this same value you have to introduce in the l.H.S. Now let's see there. Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. Now this 1 by 3 is as it now. Cos square alpha value is L plus M plus N by root under 3 was there. So whole square means 1 by 3 is common. L plus M plus N whole square. Curly bracket I have given here. Cos beta value is minus L plus M plus N whole square. Cos gamma is L minus M plus N whole square. And cos delta means L plus M minus N whole square. So basically, what you can use the formula A plus B plus C whole square formula you can use here. So its formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So from here to here, this is a normal simple formula, school level formula. Here also you can use it formula a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square, and minus 2ab, because here is minus, plus 2ab was there, but here is minus. Minus 2ab minus 2lm plus 2bc, both places there is plus 2bc minus 2ca, minus this is minus 2ca formula we can use it. And here also same formula you can use it. What you can write down, L square plus M square plus N square minus 2ab, between a plus L minus a minus 2ab, and minus 2bc minus 2ca. We can get this formula because this is a normal formula. And after this normal formula, what we can write down here, this is plus 2lmn, and you can see here this is minus 2lmn, and this is plus 2mn, 2mn, and you can see here this is 2mn. It means all terms, if you source, all terms will be eliminated here. It does not matter, all terms will be eliminated. And 2ln you can see here by this way, and 2mn is here, another 2mn is here, you can see minus 2ln is here, plus 2ln is ln is here, and 2lm is there, and other minus is there. So all terms is eliminated. So finally what we can see, l square is here, 2l square is there, third l square is there, fourth l square is there. Okay, at last you will get here 4l square plus 4m square, 4l square plus 4m square plus 4n square, and 4 you can take common, l square plus m square plus n square. So its value is 1. Okay. Okay. Thank you everyone for your kind presence. If you like my channel, if you subscribe it, if you give the comments, and if you like it, then I will send you the different types of the new problems video. Hope that everyone will subscribe it. Please like as much as you can. Please subscribe it. Thank you everyone for your kind attention.